Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing fabrics and cutting precise pieces because accuracy prevents distortion later. Lay out background and biscuit fabrics, then cut 2. 5 squares for centers and 1/2 strips for edges. Use a rotary cutter, ruler, and cutting mat to save time. Once cut, press each piece flat so seams nest neatly. This makes seam matching easier. Make sure to keep like fabrics together so you can chain piece quickly. This initial precision speeds up the rest of the sewing and keeps biscuits uniform. You now assemble biscuit units by sewing background triangles to center squares, using a 1/4 seam and chain piecing for efficiency. Once the centers are framed, stitch the curved biscuit edge pieces, sew slowly and pivot at curve points to keep a smooth arc. Clip seam allowances on the curves to reduce bulk, then press seams toward the darker fabric to control shadow. After pressing, trim or square each unit to the finished 2, size so blocks align when you join rows later. You finish by joining units into rows, matching points carefully and pressing seams in alternating directions for flat intersections. Once top is assembled, make a quilt sandwich with batting and backing, then baste using pins or spray to prevent shifting. Quilt using straight or echo stitches around biscuits to accentuate shapes and stabilize layers. After quilting, trim edges square and attach binding with a 1/4 seam. Fold and hand stitch the inner edge. If seams pucker, repress and requilt small areas to smooth the surface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.